Do you know that diabetes puts one at risk of developing stroke 4 to 6 times as compared to those without diabetes? My patients keep on telling me how erratic their blood sugar level is and how difficult it is for them to maintain it in an appropriate level. In this video, you will learn about an affordable item that you have in your kitchen to effectively help you manage your blood sugar. Greetings again to everyone. This is Doc Cherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. If you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so you will be a part of our community and you will receive weekly health videos that will benefit our beloved seniors, you, and your family. Apple cider vinegar had been linked with many health benefits, but today scientists are still continuously doing studies to help back up this claim. In this video, you will understand the science why research have proven apple cider vinegar can be good in helping you manage your blood sugar level. Apple cider vinegar is fermented apple juice. To make ACV or apple cider vinegar, apples are crushed including the skin, seeds, and stems of the fruits. It is then fermented by yeast to produce alcohol-producing hard cider and then fermented again to convert the alcohol to acetic acid, a key ingredient of ACV. If you look for ACV, you look for the one with the mother. It is what gives the product its cloudy appearance and can also be seen as floating strands. This serves as a probiotic which helps restore the natural balance of bacteria in your stomach and intestine. Most commercially produced apple cider vinegar is filtered, which removes the mother and leaves a clear liquid. Besides having probiotics, apple cider vinegar is also full with B vitamins and polyphenols or antioxidants from plants. The role of apple cider vinegar and its contribution to control blood sugar level is well documented. It's no secret that diabetes is common worldwide and it is growing at an alarming rate in both developed and developing countries. Is apple cider vinegar a reasonable weapon in the fight against diabetes? Diabetes is a disorder characterized by high blood sugar due to impaired insulin secretion. Insulin is a hormone created by your pancreas to control the amount of glucose or sugar in your blood at any given moment. It also helps store glucose in your liver, fat, and muscles. Besides impaired insulin secretion, diabetes can also be due to insulin resistance wherein your muscles, body fat, and liver start ignoring the signal that the hormone insulin is trying to send out, which is to grab glucose out of the bloodstream and put it back into your cell. Diabetes can also be caused by an overproduction of glucose in your liver. Although the most effective and healthiest way to regulate blood sugar level is to avoid refined carbs and sugar as well as exercise, apple cider vinegar also have a beneficial effect for those battling with diabetes through the following mechanisms. Number 1, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps prevent blood sugar spikes by reducing the rate at which food leaves the stomach and enters the lower digestive tract, which slows down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. Number 2, apple cider vinegar decreases glucose production in the liver. Your liver stores and releases glucose in your bloodstream when needed. Your liver also has the ability to make glucose from scratch. This is a critical function that keeps people alive when food is scarce. In people with diabetes, however, the liver doesn't process and produce glucose normally, adding to the challenge of blood glucose control. Apple cider vinegar can help with this. Number 3, apple cider vinegar increases utilization of glucose in your skeletal muscle. In the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, published last 2015, acetic acid ingestion before a meal results in an enhancement of muscle blood flow and improvement of the uptake of glucose. Lastly, apple cider vinegar can slow down high blood sugar after a high carbohydrate meal. In a small study in 5 healthy people published by the American Diabetes Association, apple cider vinegar reduced blood sugar by 31.4% after eating 50 grams of white bread. Simple, inexpensive diet strategies are indeed needed to help control diabetes, and apple cider vinegar is a good option. If you want to try apple cider vinegar, you can choose to buy the one with the mother. You can dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass full of water and then use a straw whenever you drink this to protect your teeth. You need to sit down at least 30 minutes before going to bed just to prevent any discomfort that you would feel in your throat. Never drink undiluted apple cider vinegar, and don't do this if ever you are currently suffering from ulcer. It is very important that you do not replace any current medical treatment. Should you wish to do this, talk to your healthcare provider first, especially if you are currently taking diuretics, because this, in some cases, may deplete your potassium. Apple cider vinegar cannot control diabetes, but it has been proven to moderately control blood glucose level. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you find this video helpful. Should you have any questions regarding diabetes or any topics that I might be able to help you with, please comment down below because I would really get back on you. This is again Doc Cherry. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.